How would you like to have a single level home with a 3-car garage in one of San Clemente's best neighborhoods? That's exactly what my newest listing is. I'm here at 715 Calle Monserrat in Misty Ridge at the top of the hill in San Clemente. The house behind me, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with an office, custom built. I can't wait for you to see inside. Come check this place out. Welcome inside 715 Calle Monserrat. As I pointed out, custom home. And one of the best things about custom, this home was built, handcrafted by the original owner and an architect. So what are some of the things you get from a custom home that you otherwise wouldn't see? 9-foot ceilings, an amazing open concept floor plan that was way ahead of its time for 1989. From the family room where we're standing, you can interact with people in the kitchen. You can interact with people in the formal dining room, and you get some amazing views out towards Rancho San Clemente, where the sunrise is, where Mount Baldy is, and where Saddleback Mountain is. So this home has such a special floor plan, and it's what makes it so unique and so rare. So one of the things that I absolutely love about what the architect did with the design of this home, all of the bedrooms are on one side of the home. You have a glorious master suite with its own sitting area in front of the fireplace, and a generous sized bathroom, his and hers vanities, walk-in closet, hallway bathroom servicing all the guest bedrooms, and then you walk through the common areas of the home, through the kitchen and the family room to this magnificent office study. And it's something that I don't see a lot of times in home is an elegant office like this property has. And the best thing about the office and the family room and the kitchen, it spills out through these French doors into this wonderful backyard, and it's just one of the best reasons why I think this property is so special. If you took a look at all of the listings I've ever had the opportunity to sell, this one would definitely rank amongst the top for most incredible backyards. This backyard looks like it's out of a European storybook featuring world's best backyards. And with this location at the top of Misty Ridge in San Clemente, you're taking in some incredible panoramic views, Saddleback Mountain, southeast San Clemente sunrises. It's really one of the features that puts this property above the rest. In addition to all the great things about it, being single level, being custom, this backyard is like no other that I've had the opportunity to see. And if you want a special opportunity to buy this house, give me a call, reach out to me, and I'd be happy to show it to you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.